Bitcoin is breaking key levels and something is brewing across the altcoin market. The signals are clear. We could be at the start of a new explosive phase. In this video, we'll break down what's happening, what the next price targets are, and, most importantly, what to do now to stay ahead. If you're serious about crypto and want a competitive edge, stick around until the end. I'll show you where to find exclusive analysis that goes beyond YouTube. Bitcoin has finally broken through a resistance level that's held for weeks. After consolidating between EG 58,000 and EG 64,000, we've seen a decisive breakout, backed by growing volume. And this isn't just a random move. Institutional interest is returning, visible through spot ETF flows and on-chain data. Key levels to watch? The first natural target is the $70,000 to $72,000 range, close to all-time highs. If we break that zone with strong volume, we could enter price discovery, a zone with no historical resistance. But be cautious. A retest of the 65,000 range is still possible and could offer a great entry point. As always, when Bitcoin makes a move, altcoins tend to follow, but with a slight delay, and that delay often creates opportunity. Ethereum is showing strength, regaining market dominance, and approaching critical resistance levels. Solana, Avalanche, Matic, and Arbitrum are also building strong technical setups. But is this the beginning of a true alt season? One key metric to watch is BTC dominance, BTCD. If it starts to drop while Bitcoin consolidates or rises slowly, altcoins can rally hard. Also, keep an eye on the DeFi space and Ethereum's Layer 2s. Capital is starting to flow again, and when it does, moves can be violent. Now let's look at the technical indicators. Bitcoin's RSI is elevated but not yet overbought, meaning there's still room to run, although a short-term consolidation could happen. The MACD gave a bullish crossover days ago, typically a strong continuation signal. The volume profile also shows a low volume gap between EG 68,000 and EG 73,000. We could see fast movement within that range. Lastly, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index has shifted from fear to greed, but we're not in euphoric territory yet, which is a good sign. Historically, big moves often happen before the crowd fully catches on. In the short term, we might see a brief technical pullback. No panic, it's part of the cycle. If key support levels hold, the uptrend can continue with more strength. Levels to watch closely: EG 65,000 as a critical support, EG 70,000 as a psychological resistance, and EG 72,500 plus as a full breakout zone. In the midterm, if Bitcoin breaks and holds above its all-time highs, we could see a major liquidity wave flow into altcoins, with many projects potentially delivering double or even triple-digit gains.
To sum up, Bitcoin's breakout looks real, altcoins are positioning themselves, and the market is heating up. But remember, success in this space requires more than hype. You need a plan, a strategy, and constant updates. That's exactly why you should check out blockchaindudes.com, our platform for exclusive insights, deep market analysis, long-term strategies, and real tools for serious crypto investors and traders. YouTube scratches the surface, but on Blockchain Dudes, we go deep.